Hi everyone, this is Donis Anastasiou, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the username of your Facebook page. Okay, now first of all, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. But most of all, if you click on the description just down below this video, you're going to find the link for a free ebook on social media marketing. So just click on that, go and get it, and it's going to help you with your Facebook, Instagram, and all of your social media. Okay, now how do we change username? This is the username right here. Okay, and this username, it's also part of your Facebook URL. Okay, so if I just delete this, so you can easily copy this and send it through email, or post it in various Facebook groups. So it's really important to have your username the same just as your the name of your Facebook page. Okay, now how do we change? Right here, this username height right here, and if we change it, it will automatically change the your Facebook page URL. So it's easy. It's an easy way to do it. We just have to go to our Facebook page, scroll down from here on your tabs, and click on Edit Page Info. So when you click here on Edit Page Info, here you see the name of your Facebook page, and here is your username. Okay, it doesn't write facebook.com/adonisanastasia.com. It just write the username. So if you change it here, it will automatically change your URL as well. But make sure, this is an important, make sure that you don't change your username, often, because you're gonna create a confusion. Only change your username if you're gonna make a minor change on your Facebook page. And remember, always make sure that the Facebook name is the same with your username, or your username is the same with your Facebook page. Now, in my case, I have two pages. I used to have another one that I call it Adonis Anastasiou. So in this case, because if you register a username, nobody else can use that name. So in this case, I have to use number one for my Facebook page, because facebook.com/Adonis Anastasiou, that's my profile. So my Facebook name for my Facebook page, I have to use Adonis Anastasiou 1. Okay, so this is how to do it. I hope it was helpful. Make sure that you click on the link below to find a free ebook on social media marketing. Thank you so much, and see you soon.